Hi, my name is Jason Seiler. I'm the Brownfields Coordinator for Montana DEQ, and we are here today in Harlowton, Montana at the Harlowton Railyard site. The Harlowton Railyard site is a state Superfund site that has a legacy of historical contamination. So this site is not a typical state Superfund site in that there's no viable responsible party. Therefore, the Brownfields program is assisting the city going after various federal and state grants. Today we are actually in the process of removing a 15,000-gallon buried rail car that was used to hold diesel for rail operations. Some of these tanks have been left in the ground for over 100 years, and during that time they've rusted out and leaked and have left a legacy of contamination in the soils and groundwater. So once the tank is removed, we're able to use additional grant funds to clean up contaminated soil and groundwater. All of the steel that we found here, either buried lines or the 6 tanks that we found, will all be recycled, and the city will then be able to recoup those costs and contribute that towards cleaning up this site. So the diesel contaminated soils that we've been excavating here at the rail yard, we dug up and we actually send it to what we call a land farm. Land farm is where we spread the soils about 6 inches thick, till it, and then it's actually remediated by naturally occurring bacteria. At no cost to the city, the Brownfields program has been awarded over $2 million in cleanup funds. This effort is about halfway through the cleanup process, and over the next 4 to 5 years, the Brownfields program will continue to assist the city in turning this liability into a community park.